to my channel. Ayan, for today's vlog, ito po yung continuation again ng Skywalk journey. So, better watch this guys. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Enjoy watching. As for Siloso Skywalk is free to enter, we didn't see anyone manning the entrance. In fact, there was no entrance, just a cozy elevator that we instinctively knew we had to take. Pero yung time na nagpunta kami guys, walang elevator. It's under maintenance. So, and when we stepped out the elevator, we found ourselves at one end on the sky bridge. That is 11 stories above ground. Ayan. 11 stories yan guys pag pumunta kayo sa Skywalk. Having been to fabulous sky bridges such as Singing Skywalk and Langkawi Sky Bridge, I wasn't expecting much from Port Siloso Skywalk. That's one of the reasons why I delayed my visit to this attraction even though it was built many years back. And precisely because my expectation wasn't high, I didn't walk away feeling disappointed. In fact, I thought the view was not bad, even though it's not the same category as other skywalks I've been to. Port Siloso Skywalk does offer a wow moment. On the right of the bridge was a luxurious condominium. You can see the reflections and at Keppel Bay, sitting on the southern end of Singapore main island, and on the left we got to enjoy the view of Singapore Harbor, many ships as well as stretches of sandy beach as Siloso Beach. As we walked further along the bridge, I was presented with what appeared like part of an ancient jungle just to expose with modern architectures. This is literally a concrete jungle, and I mean it in a good way. Check out the mesmerizing view that stopped me in my track for a moment. A magical sight, isn't it? Sadly, the bridge was short. This is only, I think, 181 meters, and the walk ended quickly. But not to worry, we have more things to do at the other end, which I'll share in a bit. I don't think for Siloso Skywalk is a must-visit attraction in Singapore. If you are a tourist, you may not need to make a special trip here. However, if you are already staying on the Sentosa Island and have some free time to spare, then why not give this place a visit since it's free to enter anyway. Best of all, you'll get to learn more about the WWII story, the World War II history of Singapore, and see a real fort built in the late 19th century. Ayan, napasyalan ko na yan guys. So, yun yung mga nakita ko, yung mga history ng World War II. Ayan, nakita ko yun. So, siguro, pag akyat nyo doon, yun nga lang, mapapagod kayo. Pero pagbaba, okay naman. So, ito nga yung 11 stories na aakyatin mo. So, ayan. Pababa na ako yan, guys. So, okay na pag pababa, hindi ka na mapapagod. Kahit pahinto-hinto ka na. Kaya lang pagdating sa yung paakyat, talagang hihingalin ka kasi as in mainit kasi talaga dyan. Open ito guys ng I think if I'm not mistaken umaga hanggang 6, parang 9, parang ganyan, 6 hanggang 6 PM lang. Yan, so ayan, pababa na ako. Pababa ng pababa, pababa ng pababa. So habang pababa ako ng pababa, parang ayun, nagiging ano ba, exciting yung makikita mo kasi parang, wow, narating ko rin yung ano na yan. Skywalk yan. So, ayan, samahan niyo ako, ayan. Ayan guys, bibigyan ako ng konting history ng Port Siloso. Ayan, Port Siloso was built in the late 19th century. Today, more than 70 years after the war, Port Siloso stands as a beloved historical site, the only preserved coastal fort in Singapore. It is home of wealth of World War II memorabilia, including coastal guns and the remains of fortified military structures and tunnels. Ay, nakita ko nga yung tunnels doon, guys. Yun yung na-vlog ko. Doon yata sa part 2 yun. Oh, kaya maganda guys. Visit nyo ang Port Siloso. Alam ko, the word Siloso of the port's name is derived from a Malayan word meaning rock. There was a huge rock at the mouth of Singapore, mouth pala, bunganga ng Singapore Harbor, which imposed a hazard to passing shipping, with trade ever flourishing in Singapore since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869. It became necessary to protect Singapore port based on the report by Major Edward Lake of the British Royal Engineers. And a fort was decided to be built on Pulau Belakang Mati in Sentosa in 1874 to protect Keppel Harbor. As part of the planned fortifications, Mount Siloso's top was blown off and flattened it in the installation of coastal gun platforms. Kaya pala may mga makikita ka doon talaga mga cannon, mga bala, lalaki, yan. Kaya preserve nila doon, guys. So, maganda. Pasyalan nyo yun. Total, it's free naman to go. So, maganda guys. Explore nyo yung Port Siloso Skywalk. At the same time, may makikita ka nung mga history about the World War II. So, ayan. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video. Ayan. So, continue watching guys. Meron pa yan.